How to turn off TalkBack on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off TalkBack on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can just tap on the search bar at the top. And now here, you can simply type in TalkBack and search for it. And now here on the search result, you can just tap on TalkBack. And now here in this section, if you have toggled on this option that says use TalkBack, then you can simply toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off TalkBack on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.